We're looking at collecting like terms. We're kind of in a section where it's more of simplifying rather than collecting like terms for this part because with multiplying and dividing, we really just multiply our numbers and our variables separately. So this is often called multiplying by a scalar when we start talking about other types of mathematics. But for now, we just treat it as multiplication. So we just multiply by normal. So we are just going to look at this part. So what's 4 times 2? That's 8. Well, what else do we have over here? An x. Because really, if we want to break up this over here, we have 4 times 2 times by x, right? And so in algebra, this is why we got rid of this in the first place. It started as 4 times 2x. So same thing, we just end up combining our numbers to write it easy as 8x. Okay. Next off, we have 3 times negative 8. Well, 3 times negative 8 times by y. So we get negative 24y. And lastly, here, once again, well, we can move stuff about like we did with our what we did with addition and subtraction. But one thing we can notice here is that we have a negative here and a negative here. Well, we know minus times a minus equals a positive, so we can just do 3 times 5 is 15 and y. We are going to drop it in, it's going to turn into a positive. So if you see it at the beginning, if you see it here and here, you can just go boom, boom, and cross them out right away and just make them positive. That's one thing I was always shown is just turn them into positive. As you see to them, and that way you can ignore them after.